This tutorial is for 3rd grade, Module 1, Lesson 1. Module 1 takes our 3rd graders into the concept of multiplication and division. To start with, we're going to use some visual representations to help the students see the connection between addition and multiplication. And we will also look at the difference between a concept such as 3 groups of 5 compared to 5 groups of 3. So in this first problem, I have 3 groups of 5. Each hand has 5 fingers. So I can determine how many fingers I have a variety of ways. I can skip count, so I know I have 5, 10, 15. So 3 groups of 5 is 15. Another way to look at that is 3 5s is equal to 15. Or 3 times 5 equals 15. So all 3 of these statements mean the same thing. Now over here, I have 5 groups of 3, which is different than 3 groups of 4. I can find the answer by skip counting. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 plus 3 is 15. So 5 groups of 3 is equal to 15, or 5 times 3 is 15. So even though we came up with the same answer, we still can see that 3 groups of 5 is different than 5 groups of 3. Let's look at another picture. I have pictures of eggs in a carton, and I can see that I have 4 groups, and there are 6 in each group. So to find the answer, I can skip count. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus another 6 is 24. Another way I could look at that is 6 plus 6 is 12, another 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 12 is 24. And I can use my picture for the next question. I see that I have 4 groups of 6 eggs, for a total of 24. And the final question then, I can show through multiplication that 4 times 6 equals 24. In this next question, I'm asked if the picture shows the problem 2 times 3. Well, the multiplication 2 times 3 means 2 groups of 3. Well, I have 2 groups, but I don't have 2 groups of 3. So no, this picture does not show 2 times 3. It shows 3 plus 2, which is different than 2 times 3. 2 times 3 would be 2 groups of 3, which would be a total of 6 apples.